Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's project is a gift bag. Here it is right here. Now, there's no stamping with this one, but it's all about these adorable little caravan and tree dies. Now, you may have seen, this is currently our celebration promotion for Stampin' Up. It runs through to the end of August 2022. And part of this promotion is when you spend a certain amount of money, so either $110 or $220 New Zealand, over that amount I should say, you can qualify for a free purchase or a free item from the celebration brochure. And the one I am focusing on today is the Tree Lots Dies. There it is there, the gorgeous little caravan, and it coordinates with a stamp set which is in our mini catalogue, mini Stampin' Up catalogue. This one here, the Tree Lots Dies, on page 39. Now these caravan dies, or the Tree Lot Dies as they're called, they're only available with a qualifying purchase to the end of August. So if you like these adorable little caravans and trees, and I mean, who doesn't, you do have to place your order before the end of August. If you want to get them. So let me show you how I made this cute little project. The paper I'm using is also from our mini catalogue. This is our mini catalogue here. And the paper I'm using is from the Gingham Cottage Suite, which is on pages 58 and 59. All different sorts of gingham. I love them. So let's get started. You're going to need to bring in either your trimmer or your simply scored scoring tool to make this. So pop your paper is 6 by 12 inches, by the way. So on the long side, you're going to score it at, the first score mark is going to be 4, then 5 3/4, then 9 3/4, and 11 1/2. I'll flip it over to that short side, or the portrait side, and score it at 1 3/4 and 5. That's all the scoring done. Grab a bone folder. I'm just going to fold the top one. So there's two. So there's a wider piece down the bottom, which is where we're going to cut, and then this top piece, which is the one that's going to be folded over to make that flap across there. So this is a little fold over bag, gift bag. So just going to fold that one over, and then we're going to fold all of these in. Just find all your score lines and fold them all in. I mustn't have scored quite hard enough because I'm having trouble seeing the score lines today for some reason. I know it's there. There we are. And there's that narrow one at the end. Alright, so we should have all of them done. Yeah. So we've folded on all those score lines, or burnished all those score lines, I should say. The top one gets folded over, so you're going to end up like that. So you've got that fold over piece at the top. There's a narrow edge down here. So before we do anything else, let's cut up these score lines. So down the bottom, where you've got that wider piece, you're going to cut away that first narrow, up the horizontal to the vertical. I'm going to cut that one away. I'm going to cut up to these score lines. You're not cutting these out, just cutting them away. I might just turn it over so I can see a bit better. So just cut up to there, to there, cutting up to that cross one, and then up to there. I might just wedge that out a bit, make it a bit tidier. Okay, so all that's going to happen is that we've folded that piece over, we're going to attach that with some adhesive, and then this narrow one folds into here. So that's what we're going to be, that's how the bag is made. So let's go ahead and adhere this one down with some seal. I'm using my Stampin' Seal Plus, but Stampin' Seal will do, the other one will do as well, because it's just paper. And then we're going to put some more Stampin' Seal down here on this one, that narrow one. And then fold the bag over and then bring it in to match up those lines. And there you have it. That's the actual bag made. So that's where that seam is right there. That's going to be the back of the bag. So I'm going to fold in these two side tabs. Fold in and make sure I've got my that at the back. There we go. So I just want those two seams to be together there. Put some tape down here. Whoops. Might just tidy up my cutting. Yep. Put some tape down. Bring it together. And that's the bag made. Easy. Simple, simple, simple. Now the little handles, which we'll pop on now, I've gone ahead and cut them out already. There they are there. So I used my Stylish Shapes dies, and I used two of the circles. These they have stitching on them. So I used the second largest and the second smallest. Ran them through basic black cardstock on my die cutting machine to get that handle idea. So we'll just pop them on the bag now. I'm going to put them on the inside. Put a little bit of tear and tape on, sorry, not tear and tape, adhesive on here. Put that there just so that the top is there. And then I'm going to put that together. I'm putting that together like that. And I'm just going to put a little bit of tape on the inside. Hold the two together. And then just gently bring that bag in like that. And then that way you'll get the handles exact with each other. It doesn't matter if you don't do that. It's just, you know, something to make it look a little bit cuter. Right, let me show you this adorable little thing. So I've already gone and cut the caravan out. So the caravan comes in two pieces. So that's the whole caravan. And then this other smaller piece has the ridges for the top and the bottom. So let's go and put these together now. Very easy to put together. So that just comes across there like that. Oops, not enough on that one. Let's pop a little bit of Tombow under there. Come under. Okay. And just a little bit of Tom. I'm just going to put the Tombow straight on here. I don't want too much because you don't want glue leaking out. Go. I've used Polish Pink as the base of my caravan, and the basic white, thick white. Now the trees, I've gone ahead also, so there's 3 different sizes of trees in this die set, and they've got the outline and the inner piece as well. So I've gone ahead already and cut them all out. I've put that one together. I'll just show you how I did this one. So any liquid glue will work on this. I'm just going to put a tiny bit of Tombow because I don't want it to show. Just on some of these little bits. And then go straight down there like that. Oops, not like that. There we go. And then there's also a die. This die set has been so well thought out. There's also the little dies for little trunks of the trees. Cute, right? So we'll put a little tree trunk on there as well. Just there. Whoops, where did he go? Oh. Pop him over there to dry. Now, as you can see, we've got a little cute little skirt or lace, bit of lace. There's also a die for that, a tiny little die for the lace. And when you cut this caravan out, it will pop out that the window piece, so you can leave it blank or fill it in again. So I've gone ahead with that little white, the little lacy piece, the die, and attached it already onto here. And then I'm just going to pop it in. When I put the caravan on, I'll pop it in then. We also have the little wreath, cute little wreath and bow, and I've just realised I've cut it out on pink, not on mint macaron, which is what I've done the trees on, but we'll go ahead and leave it in the pink, I think, just for the sake of the video, but I think it looks a bit cuter on the mint macaron, actually. That's okay. So obviously I haven't put any stamping or any sentiments on here because I felt it was a bit soon to make anything Christmassy. But you can have a little wreath on your door just because. And also this caravan set, although it's not going to be in our catalogue for Stampin' Up for the rest of the year when I'm just sort of doing more Christmassy stuff, this die set is perfect for really any time of the year. Okay, everything's set to go. Let's put our tree on the bag now. So I'm going to pop that just with put some Stampin' Seal on that one. There. And then next one. Just going to pop it underneath slightly. Whoops, just ever so slightly. I think I put enough on there. Oh my gosh, it does not want to stick, does it? There we go. Alright, now let's, using our larger dimensionals, pop that little caravan up. Just going to pop that there, so it's just to the edge of that little tree. And then we'll grab our little window or curtain, whatever you want to call it. Pop a little bit of glue on there, a little bit of Tombow, and then I'm just going to pop it in so it will settle. You have it, and there you go. Now I did a bow on this one, the polished pink. I'm not sure if I like it with the bow or without. I don't know. I might leave that one with the bow. I think it looks quite cute either way, to tell you the truth. But yeah, I'll leave that one off for this time. I used the polished pink ribbon for it actually. That's the open weave ribbon. And there you have it. Really easy, simple little gift bag to make using the Tree Lots dies. I have put a link to all the products that I've used in the description bar below, so if you click on any of them you'll be taken directly to my Stampin' Up website. I've also put all the dimensions that I've used for the bags today as well in the description bar below. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't hesitate to contact me at stampingmary, MERRY @gmail.com if you have any questions. Thank you so much. Have a good day.